Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by darkness, there lived a young man named Eli. The village was known for its gloomy atmosphere. People lived in fear, sorrow, and despair, as if the sun never quite reached the hearts of the villagers. They were used to the darkness, but Eli was different. He was known to be kind, hopeful, and full of joy, despite the gloomy environment around him. Eli had a deep belief in the teachings of the scriptures, which said, "You are the light of the world." A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on its stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house. Eli had taken this to heart, and he felt called to be a light in the world, to shine even when the world seemed dark. One day, the village was hit by a severe storm. The winds howled, the trees were uprooted, and the village was left in complete darkness. The villagers were terrified, and many of them huddled together, unsure of what to do. But Eli, seeing the fear in their eyes, took a candle and placed it in a window for all to see. He then walked through the streets, helping those who had been caught in the storm, offering his light and comfort. Eli didn't just provide physical light with his candle, he also gave them the light of hope. He reminded them that even in the darkest times, there was always hope, as long as they had faith and love for one another. The villagers, moved by Eli's actions, began to feel the warmth of his spirit. They started to share their own light with each other, helping, encouraging, and supporting one another. When the storm finally passed and the sun rose again, the village was no longer a place of darkness. It had become a village full of light, where people cared for each other, lifted each other up, and lived with joy and hope. Eli, the son of light, had inspired them all to live in a way that reflected the light of love and truth. Moral of the story: just as Eli was called to be a light in a dark world, we too are called to be sons of the light, sharing love, hope, and kindness with others. Our actions can be the light that guides others through their darkness, and in doing so, we can help create a world filled with warmth, understanding, and faith. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this story. Please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to give it thumbs up.